If you or your teams attended our 2-day Influence Redefined workshop, you know that taking your communication skills from good to influential doesn't happen overnight. It takes discipline, accountability, and a lot of hard work. It's a lifelong process, and you do not need to do it alone. You have observed how individuals leave our workshop showing significant improvement and motivation to stay committed to doing the work it takes to increase their level of influence. The temptation to slip back into their old habits is a magnetic pull that grabs many. We can all relate to this pull at the beginning of every year. 95% of individuals who make New Year's resolutions will break them by January 15th. Attending our Next Level of Influence workshop is the first step to putting focus and value back into your development. After attending our 2-day workshop, there is a strong probability that you're more aware of how your listeners perceive you rather than how you feel. You have either held yourself accountable and have been diligent applying the skills and techniques you learned, or you have allowed yourself to slip back to old habits. The work you have done to date also determines whether or not you have been consistent. Have you mastered all of the skills and techniques? Are you still using non-words and filler words, or have pauses become your new norm? Have you successfully made eye connection your new habit, or are you still practicing eye contact? Are your messages consistently clear, concise, and to the point? The objective of our Next Level of Influence workshop is to help you continue to evolve your communication skills and to increase your impact and influence Monday to Monday. We will help you get back on track by increasing your self-awareness. We will give you that extra push to continue holding yourself accountable so that your communication is consistent during all interactions. To help you evolve, you will have more opportunities to practice the skills and techniques for adapting your message to meet your listeners' expectations. Most importantly, to give you the confidence to increase your impact and influence. We need to continuously practice and receive constructive feedback if we want to be influential Monday to Monday. The Next Level of Influence workshop gives you this opportunity. A professional athlete, musician, actor, or actress doesn't achieve success by attending one training session. We cannot achieve influence attending one workshop. You cannot afford to not make a commitment to yourself. Make this your year to be confident, to be heard, and to have influence. If you're ready to take the next steps to positively impact how you communicate personally and professionally, please contact me at Stacey@StaceyHankeinc.com. We look forward to reconnecting with you.